Welcome to Intellectuals. As discussed in the previous tutorial of binomial, these are the answers for the practice questions. Now, if we see the quadratic equation at a glance, we see that this is not at all a quadratic equation. But by suitable transformation, we will convert this to quadratic equation. Let us see how we will solve this type of quadratic equation. Here we will substitute y square as x. Now our equation will be 9y square into y square minus 29y square plus 20 equal to 0. Now substitute y square as x. So this will become 9x square minus 29x plus 20 equal to 0. Now we will compare with the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, we get a equal to 9, b equal to minus 29 and c equal to 20. In the last tutorial, I told you how to solve a quadratic equation. The sign in front of the product term, which is plus here, so we will take the sum of the factors. Let us see how. The product will be 9 into 20, which is equal to 180. Now we have to set the factors in such a way that the sum come out to be 29. Quickly do that. The factors of 180 are 1 into 180, 2 into 90, 3 into 60, 5 into 18, 5 into 36. 6 into 30 and it is 9 into 20. Now we'll see the sum. When we see, we got that 9 and 20 will give you 29 as a sum. So we'll write the quadratic equation as 9x square minus 20 plus 9 x plus 20 equal to 0. We can write 9x square minus 20x minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. We can write 9x square minus 9x minus 20x plus 20 equal to 0. Take 9x as common, will give you x minus 1 minus 20 as common, x minus 1 equal to 0. So we'll take again a common. So 9x minus 20 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Simplifying 9x will give you 20 or x equal to 20 by 9 or x equal to 1. But we have substituted y square as x, so we'll write y square equal to 20 by 9 or y square equal to 1. So on simplifying, we'll get y is equal to plus minus 1 and y equal to under root of 20 by 9, which is equal to 4 into 5 upon 9, which is equal to 2 root 5 upon 3. So again plus minus. So one root is 2 root 5, another will be minus 2 root 5, 1 and minus 1. So in this way we will solve this type of quadratic equation, which does not look quadratic at a glance, but by some transformation and substitution we can convert into quadratic equation. We can solve another type of equation, x power 6 minus 26 x cube minus 27 equal to 0. This is, by inspection you can say that this is not a quadratic equation, but by suitable transformation we can convert into quadratic equation. Now we will substitute x cube is equal to y. So this x cube minus 26x cube minus 27 equal to 0. Now let us substitute x cube as y. So this will become y square minus 26y minus 27 equal to 0. Now compare it with the general quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 26 and C equal to minus 27. Now the sign in front of the product term is minus, so we will take the difference of the factors. So product is minus 27 and we will take the difference. So 1 into 27, 3 into 9, right? 27 minus 1 will give you 26. So our question is solved here. Y square minus 27 minus 1, y minus 27 equal to 0, y square minus 27y plus y minus 27 equal to 0. Now take the common. We'll take y as common. In the bracket y minus 27 plus 1 and y minus 27 equal to 0. So y plus 1, y minus 27 equal to 0. So y equal to 1 or y is equal to 27. But remember, we have substituted x cube equal to y. So x cube will be equal to 1 or x cube equal to 27. On solving, we get x is equal to 3. Sorry, here y equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. So this type of quadratic equation we have solved by substituting x cube equal to pi. Thus this is a sixth order equation, hence it will have 6 roots. Here 3 roots will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and the next 3 roots will be 3, 3 and 3. Hope you like my tutorial. Please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorial with some more problems on quadratic equation.